Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur on CapCut, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. For the first one, we are going to blur the entire clip or photo. Open CapCut on your device and tap New Project. Select a clip and tap Add. To blur the entire clip, we will be using effects. You can also do this method in sections by splitting the clip. So tap Effects and Video Effects. Go to Basic, scroll down and tap Blur. Adjust the blur and tap Done. Then cover the entire clip with it. And you're done. Now moving on to background blur. Follow the same steps as the first one. When you have an entirely blurred clip, go back and tap Overlay. Tap Add Overlay and select the same video. Tap Add. Now make the overlay size slightly bigger than the main video. And tap Remove Background. Now to blur a face or a part of the video. Select your video. Tap Add. And copy your video. And tap Overlay. Tap the first clip and tap Overlay. Now that the videos are perfectly aligned, tap Effects. Go to Video Effects, Basic, and select Blur. Adjust it to your liking and tap Done. Now align the blur with the video. Now tap Object and tap Overlay. Tap Done. This has applied the blur effect to the overlay. Next, tap Overlay. Tap the overlay clip. Tap Mask. You can choose whichever seems fit and adjust it to the video. Since this is a video, at some point the blur might not cover the face. So go to the beginning of the video and tap the keyframe icon at the right of the play icon. Play the video to the part where the face does not fit the mask. And tap keyframe again. Then tap Mask and adjust the size. Similarly, play to the next part and repeat the process. Tap Keyframe, tap Mask, and adjust. Now that you can blur videos, you can apply the same method to your photos. And that's how you blur on CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.